people, my name is Faisal Jaman and today's video will be after a customer order any product from your website, they need to know the detail. Okay, the customer that would be customer address, phone number, email ID, and which product he ordered, so that you can easily deliver a product to his address, right? So there are many customer will call you directly and order the product, and then how you can create custom order. So today's lecture will be how you can create custom order, and this video will be customer order management system. So let's get started with the video. So I have already uploaded a video. So the previous one, the part was 3, that I have shown you how to upload this product. Okay, so I have already shown you all of product, and now I will just show you. So any customer, so this is a website, actually this is the shop page actually. Okay, this is not like professional, but when you design any website, that would be professional, right? I just show you how to upload product. Okay, so these are all of the product, and when your customer order of this any product, and how you can know it, customer details, phone number, address, etc, etc. In order to do, you just go to your WordPress dashboard, and then first of all, if you suppose if your client, if your customer ordered this product, this Dove body wash with pump dip, this product, and it will, when it's complete the order and your customer pay to you, then you will just get a notification over here. As you can see, this is the WooCommerce order. This is the place of the this is the option WooCommerce order. So if we click this option, I can see this is the someone some 10 minutes ago. I just make a order as a sample for you. This is the order Marco. So Marco place the order. So if I click this Marco option, and I just see all details, everything. So suppose if I order anything, I just click this one, and this is the order, this is the product, and I just want to add to cart and view cart. And this is the checkout page. I'm going to checkout page. This is all information, all is provided from a customer. And as you can see, he just put cash on delivery and place order. And after this process segment, and it will just going to this place, and that would be cash on delivery, that would be PayPal, Payoneer, anything over here. And after payment your product, and you will see this option. Okay, so this is a status. This is right now a status is processing. Okay, and this is a shipping address, and this is a shipping address. It will just deliver to this ship address. This is the phone number. If you want to call to him, you can do. Okay, this is the email address, and this is also phone number. This is the billing information. It comes from over here. Okay, as you can see, this is some extra field that is download the customer field, and also this is the another one. This is add to cart, add new customer field. This not necessary right now. Actually, you can disable it. You can do it. Screen option. I'm just clicking this option, screen option. I don't need this downloadable product permission and custom field. Actually, I don't need these options. Okay, those are gone. Okay, now as you can see, this is the processing area. Okay, so if you see this payment, if you receive, then you can select this complete status. You can manually select the complete. Okay, and click update. It will update it, and your customer will after one or two days later, you can send to this address. Okay, and how you can create a custom order. Right now we're going to jump how to create custom order. So custom order is very important, because if you don't create custom order, then if you don't create custom order, actually, then your inventory calculation will not be correct. Okay, so you cannot calculate how much money and how and if you go to this report option, if you open this option report, here you can see this is the gross sale of this period, and net sale, and order place, and this is, you cannot calculate how much money you are selling with this report, and keep your inventory management in order. If you you can do it custom order. Okay, so if your customer ordered by phone, then you manually upload the data to this website or WooCommerce over here. Okay, and in order to, you just go to the order option and click this add order, and here is some option. So for first time your status will be sending payment, and you can send it processing, and you can keep it this one, and this is the address. And when your customer directly contact on it, he will provide you all information. You just manually upload over here, and shipping address will be, you can set it over here, and which product they ordered, and you just select it manually. Just click add item. I have already uploaded a product. The product is Dove. This product, suppose this product wants to create a custom order. Just click this one, and how many quantity, this is the quantity option. You can select it manually and click add. This product is selected, and this is the order action. That means if you select this one, email, invoice, order detail to customer, and if you select this one and click create, and your customer email address, this is the email address, and if you select this one, and all information are done, and this email invoice will to this invoice sent to this email. Okay, so actually this is a very important thing. So if you don't have time for online store management, you can get work done by our expert team. To contact directly, my description box or about, you can directly contact my email. Okay, just click this create. And you can if you have some special note over here after order these products, your customer will get this message. You can set it over here. Okay, so I think all are done. So these are the whole thing of the order management system, and the most important thing is when your customer place any order, your WooCommerce, under this option you will get message, you will get notification that is 1 2 3 4 5. So if you select this order option, you just see this one and this one. Okay, this is the right now I have already created for custom order. This is the previous one. The customer place the product on my WooCommerce store. Okay, so this is the origin for web admin, and this is a direct order. Okay, so this is the processing. So if you see this, if you receive the payment, you just status, just go keep it complete. Okay, just click update. After this complete, and go to report, and here you will see all the stuffs. Okay, so I think you understand everything. So thank you very much.